guys, my name is Josh Macklin, and if you clicked on this video, you are probably in the market for a new ZHP knob for your BMW. I'm here to help you guys make sure you don't make the same mistakes that I did purchasing one off of eBay, not knowing what to look for and what actually to go off of. So as you guys can see, this is the stock knob here, and right here this is the ZHP knob that I got off of eBay, and this is the ZHP knob that I got off of Amazon from a quote-unquote genuine BMW dealer on there. That's how they advertise it. You guys know what this looks like, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this out of the way. We are comparing these two, eBay versus the genuine. Right off the back, as you can see visually looking at them, the eBay one has this thinner, more fragile feeling leather that basically feels like, you know, if I was to like scrape my nail, I'm not going to do this because I'm going to return this, but if I was to like scrape it accidentally with my nail, it would easily scratch, and that definitely wouldn't be good. Also, looking at it visually in comparison to this knob, the stitching on this one is significantly cleaner than this. As you guys can see, these lines look so much better than this one right here. It's like it's distributed evenly. You don't see any weird like humps or anything on there, and yeah, it's just way cleaner stitching all the way around on this one. Now for the badges seemingly look the same. What you want to really pay attention to on this is the indentation. So as you can see on the eBay knob, you have a significant amount of indentation around here that doesn't feel that great in the hands. So when you have your hand on top of this knob, you can feel all of that, you know, unsmoothness right there, that roughness from that ledge, and that's really not good, especially something that you're going to be working with all day, every day, all the time. You know, this is probably the part of the car besides the steering wheel that you interact with the most on the interior. So yes, you definitely don't want this ridge right here. And going to this one, you can see it's a lot more flush, a lot smoother feeling in the hand. You still feel it a little bit, obviously, because there is a badge there. It's a different texture, but this transition is so much smoother, guys. Like I mean, it's night and day difference, as you can see. Sorry, my watch. Okay, so moving down to the silver portion, as you can see here, this is the genuine knob right here. You got this nice, it almost matches my aluminum trim exactly, and it feels more metally than, I don't even know if metally is a word, but it feels a lot more metal-like than this one right here. This one feels like straight painted, covered plastic, which is, it might be the same similar scenario, but this feels a lot more sturdy, guys. So yeah, quality difference. I would do a side-by-side comparison. You can see the finish on the genuine one is so much smoother than the eBay one. So now looking at the internals, this right here has this frosted plastic situation going on. This one has like a more, it almost looks like black at first glance, but it's kind of like super clear plastic on the inside. Alright, so you want to stay away from this. I was thinking, I made the mistake of looking at my knob and seeing that same similar plastic there and thinking it was going to be like the same exact fit, but it is not. And I will show you guys that in a second when we hop back in the car and install these things. It is not the same fit, trust me. This right here, when it goes on, you guys will see it's like super shaky, and you can twist it a little bit, and it's not the exact fit. You can tell it's not OEM. It does have that same interior lip on the inside as I'm about to show you guys now. So yeah, that's that interior indentation or lip that kind of helps hold it in place, but this does not keep it from wiggling around, guys, so don't be fooled by that. Moving on to the genuine ZHP knob, as you can see, the interior does have that same indentation there, but this one right here is so much more sturdy, so much more tight. And it also looks like we have some sort of insulation or something like that going around this area, versus this one, there's nothing in between that plastic. Alright, so weight wise, this knob right here, the eBay knob, is realistically, it's probably almost the exact same weight as the stock knob. They feel pretty much the same. The weight distribution is just slightly different, but yeah, they feel pretty much seemingly the same weight. And if you know what this feels like, it doesn't feel that bad, but it's definitely not a genuine ZHP knob, guys. Trust me on this. I know it's hard to tell weight from a video. It's, well, not hard, it's impossible to tell weight from a video, but just trust me on this, guys. These are pretty close to the same weight. So when you install this on there, and I actually did drive the car with this knob first before I ordered this one, and it is not what you are anticipating on having. So here we have the genuine ZHP knob again. This one is significantly heavier. I'm holding both of them in my hands now, and there's a night and day difference in the weight of the two. This one feels nice and hefty. This genuine knob, it feels nice and hefty in the hand, and you can tell that it has like a really nice just feel when you're shifting, and it's just so much better. I don't really know how to describe it other than that. You can physically feel the difference in the two. Alright guys, so going down to the packaging, this is the packaging that the genuine ZHP knob did come in. As you can see, it has the part number. You want to look out for this part number. This is the exact part number that you're going to need in order to make sure that you have a genuine knob coming in. And this is the box that the eBay Shift Knob came in. So as you can see, it just says 6-speed on the top. It doesn't really have any other identification other than that. Alright guys, so I've shown you all the differences between the two knobs. So now I'm going to go outside and install it and show you physically what the differences are going to be. Alright guys, we're back in the car now. As you can see, I'm hand holding the camera, so if it is a little shaky, I do apologize. But I want to give you guys the best representation of what I'm talking about. What I got in my hands right now is the eBay ZHP knob that I purchased. As you can see, it's got the plastic interior. I'm about to go ahead and install it now. So installing this thing, I do exactly as I would the original knob. When I installed it back on, I search for that groove. Once I feel like it's locked in, oh, it accidentally just popped in right then and there. See, it's on now. I'm trying to pull up on it. I'll give it a good smack though, just in case. That's more than enough that you would need to do, honestly. And as you can see, this is the wiggle that I'm talking about, guys. This is not my shifter. My shifter is not loose whatsoever. This is a low mileage BMW, so yeah, it wouldn't have any play issues here. But as you can see, I'm trying to give you guys a better view of this. This is on there. Like, it's on there somewhat. I will say that in quotation marks, it's on there. It has a wiggle right here. This is exactly what I'm talking about, and it's super annoying when you're going through the gears, guys. This is the worst ever. You hear like this weird clicking, and I don't know if you can hear it, but yeah, it's just terrible. So, and as you guys can see right here, it comes off with little to no effort. Like, I can do this with one hand and it's off. Now you guys know how hard it was to take off the original knob. This does not fit securely whatsoever, and I think over time it would probably end up just coming off with shifts, honestly, as it gets looser and looser from wiggling back and forth. So here is the genuine ZHP knob right here. As you can see, it's got the nice insulated inners and that dark black-ish looking plastic stuff on the inside. So I'm installing this now. You guys can see, same process. Ooh, already as you put it on, it just feels way more snug. But okay, so now I have this thing lined up, guys. I'm just gonna give it a nice good smack. Oh man, that's it. She's on there. Give it another one. As you guys can see, no twisting back and forth, no weird wiggles, none of that craziness. Feels good. Feels really good, actually. Wow, it's got a nice weight to it. Yeah, fitment's good down here. Let's see if I can zoom in and show you guys. That's some really good fitment there. Wow. Dang, bruh. Yes. That feels amazing. Alright, so that's it, guys. I hope you liked this video. I hope it helped you out if you're in the search for a ZHP knob. Definitely don't make the same mistakes that I did. If you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up. Drop a comment below. Just supporting the channel. Share this video with your friends if they're looking for a ZHP knob. I would really appreciate that. Also, all the links for everything will be in the description, so you can go and see where to get this knob. I'm not going to link the other one because I don't want to just badmouth the seller, but just know to be wary of people on eBay. which you should already know. I should have already known that. So yeah guys, thank you so much again. Like I said, there are more mods coming to my 335 throughout the course of the year, so I will be posting all of those on the channel amongst other things that I'm interested in as well. So if you like the content, definitely hit that subscribe button. I am going to be posting more videos for you guys, a little passion project for me. So yeah, see you guys in the next one.